typical day in this class involves hands-on work. We're in an experiential learning environment, and our lecture time is really kept to a minimum. Our students learn through experiences, doing hands-on learning activities and exercises, as well as completing projects.
I would describe this program as a technical program where we learn different aspects of computer programming and computer knowledge, like mobile apps, visual design, 3D apps, 3D modeling, and HTML, things like that.
This program is more programming based. What we do is we cover a general area of programming and computer science, starting in our junior year with set courses and following up in our senior year with our chosen field of study.
I took this program, one, because I just absolutely love computers. I like building computers, I like programming for computers, I used to like programming for computers, and I just like interacting with them in general.
I took this program because I have a very strong passion for computers, and I honestly fell in love with them when I was in 9th grade, and I looked at this program as a way to accelerate my learning abilities and get ahead of my fellow students.
We have up to 7 semester credits that are offered through Lakeland Community College, which are seamlessly transferable to any state, community college, four-year college, or university. In addition, a wide array of private colleges and universities, both in and out of state, accept those credits as well. In addition to the 7 semester credits, we also have a waiver of 3 additional credits.
The differences between the junior and the senior year are, when you start off as a junior, you have a set course. You don't get to choose what you want to do. You learn the fundamentals of programming, along with a few other things. For example, we learn operating systems and how they work, how to troubleshoot them. Also, we learned Dreamweaver and web design, along with basic programming in Visual Basic and all-around general programming fundamentals with programming logic and design.
My expectations for my students include, of course, developing their technical skills, whether it's programming logic and design, web design, mobile applications development, game design, whatever pathway they pursue. I want them to, of course, develop their skills in that. But a big part of what we do here is really our professionalism skills. Teamwork, collaboration, leadership, interpersonal relations, communication, both written and spoken, are all really big parts of what we do here, and all key components to being successful in our professional environment.
I know there's projects that was done where C&E would build a robot or something along those lines, and then they'd bring it over here, and then we'd program it so that it would perform a specific function, like lifting up a can and taking it somewhere or something like that. So they did pretty much the hardware side of things, and we handled the software.
They're leaving here knowing what they want to do, focused on where they want to go. They're not going to change their major when they get to college. They are, because they've already have 2 years vested in this, in this career pathway.
My plans after the program are to go to a 4-year college and major in computer science.
Hopefully I get enough knowledge out of this program to be able to further my education with a little bit of a head start when I go off into college.
I'm honestly proud more or less of how advanced I've become in computer programming and how far I have come from back when I started this class at the beginning of my junior year. It helped me grow as a person and as a programmer. It taught me the basic fundamentals of programming because I came in with very little knowledge. It also taught me about how to cooperate with a team, because in this environment that's what we do mostly. We cooperate with our teams, and without it we would all be lost.
Overall, I'm just proud of everything that I've learned here, from the mobile apps to the 3D modeling, the web design, the programming logic and design. All of that, when it comes together, it pretty much has laid down a basic foundation for if I want to do anything involving the computer programming field.
To see the excitement build here and the enthusiasm build here, and the fact that these students are so anxious to pick up the torch and not just maintain what we've done in the past, but to best all of our previous accomplishments.